Hello everyone, I would like to share with you my alugbati seeds. May bunga na yung iba. Ito hinog na. So, gawin nating harvestin na natin para next year. May alugbati tayong itanim for summer gardening. Ayan. Naku. Ayan siya. Oh. Ito yung seeds niya. So, we will dry the indoors in the sunshine. So, ito sila. Marami parang bunga. Ito, ipasok ko ito sa loob ng bahay for next year. Again, ito, dami niyang bunga, guys, oh. So, ilang years na ito. This plant in flower pot is almost 3 years old. Only in the flower pot. So, I'll bring that this coming weekend indoors. Kasi dito sa barn, walang heater. So, mamatay sila. Ayan, beautiful. Already nang igulay. Thanks for watching. Love and ski.